Good morning, all of you. I am Devanand, your English teacher. Would like to teach you today poem third, Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. Let us see about the poet first. Ricardo Eliezer Naphtali Reyes Basilto. It was the full name of the poet Pablo Neruda. Ricardo Eliezer Naphtali Reyes Basilto was born on 20th July 1904 and died in 1973 on 3rd September. He is better known by his pen name, means Pablo Neruda. It was his pen name. Later, it became his legal name, and he became famous with this name Pablo Neruda. He was Spanish. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. He became known as a poet when he was only 13 years old. He wrote in a variety of styles, including surrealist poem, historical epics, love poem, etc. He is considered the national poet of child. Let us see about the poem now. The poem was originally written by Pablo Neruda in Spanish, but later it was translated to English. The poet demands the necessity of quiet introspection. Now, what is meant by introspection here? Introspection means self-examination. Self-examination in Hindi we can say Atma Mantan, Atma Chintan या Atma Parikshan. The poet appeals us to pause. Pause means to stop, to keep still till he counts 12. As do you know, already you know that there are 12 hours to count time, and there are 12. Sorry, there are 12 hours in a clock to count time, and there are 12 months in a year. So maybe he used this 12 number and he decided to count up to 12. He discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human being, animals, and entire environment. According to the poet, it is essential to stop and introspect, means we should do self-examination, self-examine ourselves to maintain peace and harmony in the world. Keeping Quiet is a peace poem. There is no rhyme scheme. It is written in free verse. And this poem is written in very simple language, but the meaning is very deep, and it is very important and essential for the development and progress of the world, to maintain peace in the world. Now let us see explanation of the poem. The poet asks everyone to count from 1 to 12 in their mind. All will be silent and motionless for a while. No one should speak in any language on the surface of the earth. We should stop for a second, and no one should move their arms so much. Arms means here weapon. All of us should remain calm and still for a moment, for a second. He wants us to speak the language of silence. This will bring unity and harmony among all humans on the surface of the earth. The poet asks us to count up to 12 because it indicates 12 hours in a clock, or 12 months in a calendar, or in a year. The poet tells us not to speak any language for a second because sometimes speaking becomes barrier in our way to establish peace. The poet urges us to stop the use of arm, the use of weapon, because it leads to a war. Here arm means weapon. Arms destroy peace and start violence. Basically the poet is demanding peace from all of us. So it was the summary of stanza first with explanation. Now let us see explanation as well as summary of stanza second. It will be a rare situation if everything comes to a standstill. It means that every the activity movements are going on. People are not silent. But if suppose the whole world will come to a standstill, so it will be a rare situation because it didn't occur earlier. So it will be rare situation. It will be an unusual, attractive, and unforgettable moment in the world of in the history of the world. All will be without rush. There will be no sound of engines, machines. All would be united and they would enjoy together. It will be strange atmosphere. People will not be in a rush to gain profit or to achieve material things. In addition to this, the poet tells that the fishermen too will stop catching fish. They will do no harm to the whales in the sea. It means that the poet urges all of us, every one of us in the world, not to harm the animals and not to damage the environment. Whales are being hunted for food and trade, means commerce, व्यापार के लिए. The man who gathers salt has hurt in their hands. So he should stop. The man who collects salt, he should stop his work of gathering salt and he should take care of his hands. Here the poet wants everyone to stop and introspect for a while in order to see and feel their achievement. Thank you, student. Remaining part of the poem we will see in our next video.